Instead of adding all these hard ingredients, I basically juice them. As a juice maker, I know some of the best, most benefits you can get out of pineapples, ginger, all of your fruits is through juice. Everything else is just the hull. So as juicers, of course, we know to juice anything like this, we juice. Now I want you to see the difference. Notice that. Look at that, how dry it is. You won't see that with nobody else. Then what I do is I take my juice, I want to do two things with this. First, I want to test the pH on just the juice. pH on the juice is 3.2. I don't know if you guys can see that. 3.1. Everything is just beautiful, shelf stable, right there. Now, I want to taste this. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that's what I add back to my sauce.